Yeah, I recently we reported about this car, how they were trying to fix the starting fault. Now it is fixed completely. They found the error, the wiring, and it is fixed. Closing final fittings, closure, required fuel. Now I'll try to start this car.
Time dapat ham kira dah. Arba bolo hatu hoy doti na tuju arba bolo dah kini na mai berhamin. Arba bolo. Mai bolo ham customer. Ada for dia apa? This step apa lagi? Start करेगा अभी दिखाएगा
Yes, please start. Yeah, it's going to start the car for you. Yo. Start it.
Ini ya ada mainland honno bus yang dah honno.
Yeah, I've started successfully. No signs of anything. Yeah, no engine signs. ABS.
ABS.
ABS has to be rectified.
बंद ही ना
They found some other fault, I think so. And so, yeah, there's no fault at the back. Mission accomplished, and the car will be soon on the road after some time. I think it will take more 1 hour for completing this car. It's too much removal of spares, wires, everything should need to be fixed properly. And after that, it's going to work fine. Done.